Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's recipe is a crispy and crunchy fried snack prepared from moong dal. To a bowl, add washed moong dal and baking soda. Add water and soak dal overnight. Adding baking soda while soaking makes dal crispy and gives it the desired texture while frying. The next day, in the morning, drain soaked dal. Spread the dal in a clean kitchen towel and air dry for about an hour. After an hour, heat oil in a pan. Fry moong dal in small batches. Keep searing dal occasionally. Deep fry moong dal on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes, or until it becomes crispy and crunchy. Drain fried moong dal onto a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Transfer the fried moong dal to a bowl and season it with salt and chaat masala. Make sure to mix well. And don't forget to enjoy this delicious, crispy and crunchy Moong Dal Namkeen with a cup of wonderful chai. And don't forget to watch the suggested video that pops up. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!